So, eto na naman ako mga Mars. Ang kumarin yung syempre impacta, di ba? Meron na naman ako na-discover na bagong effect dito sa TikTok. At eto nga, syempre natutulog si Afam. Ano pa ba? Eh di i-testing na natin sa kanya yung effect. Hoy, love. Love! Wake up!
What?
Who is this girl?
Who?
Who is this girl? She's calling you.
Who's good?
She's saying you call her July 21. Who is this? Who is this? Who is that?
What?
Who's that girl?
Why my eyes like this? Look, why? I have to go hospital. Please bring me to hospital. Take.
What happened to your face? Oy! Come back here. I'm the doctor. I will fix your face. Ang sagwa nga, Mars. Oh my God, tabingi.